Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Let's tap. Here let's scroll down to localize this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone, which is divided between the first and the second SIM card. You can set totally different ringtones for the first one and the second one. It's up to you if you want to do it. I'll show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter. So here we've got the list of all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very bottom of this list we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the top of the list we've got this option Music on Device or Video Ringtones. So after entering, for example, Music on Device, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you should be able to find it right here and set it as a ringtone. So all you have to do to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So for example, this, let me volume it down, definitely. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on the specific ringtone and check whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want this Morning Forest to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here next to the first SIM card, which means that from now on the device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.